If you've jumped inside your Sprinter van and noticed that your heaters do not work only if they're on number 4, follow these simple instructions. In the passenger side, behind the glove box, you want to go up to the back, and can you see that blue plug there? What you want to do is turn it to the left anti-clockwise, and then it will just pull out after you've removed the plug. There you have it. Look at it, very rusted. So to get the part, we've come to Northside Truck and Van Mercedes dealership. Very friendly staff. If you do want to know the part number, here it is. In total, it only cost me £26.64, cheaper than eBay. That's the old one, and that's the new one. We've got the new unit, and it literally just goes back in the same way. It fits in. Just click it to the right, and sometimes it can be upside down, but the way you know it's upside down is your plug won't go in. So you pull it out, turn it 180, then click, put the plug in. There you go. Moment of truth. Yes, we have heating on number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Before it was only working on number 4. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video and if it did help you, please like, share and subscribe. See our other how to fix videos.